Welcome today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press my power key here on the right side of the device, I can launch the camera application, as can you see, and just to disable this option you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the buttons and gestures. Now just here tap to the double click the power button section and switch the camera to the none. And now, as can you see, I'm just by double press my power key, I just can lock or unlock my device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.